Hi guys, welcome to our podcast. I'm
Yeah.
Malati.
And I'm Lydia.
Yeah.
So,
So what we're gonna do? What we're gonna
Uh,
talk about?
I'm gonna give you guys a clue. As you can see in the background, we have a bridge, a transportation, the sound of the river, and then a
The
tree.
tree.
The tree, yeah.
Yeah, the nature, the
Mm.
environmental here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna talking about
Urban and regional planning. Or you guys know about the
PWK.
PWK.
So stay tuned and be curious about what we're gonna talking and chit chat in few minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about planology.
Mm-mm.
Stay tuned. Yeah.
So we're gonna start with Melati.
Yeah.
Melati, can you tell us why do you choose this major?
That's a general question.
Yeah.
Some people ask to me
Mhm.
why I choose this major, why PWK, why planologies. Yeah, maybe one of the reason. That's a simple reason is I just want to be an engineering girl. Like damn, that's so gorgeous, that's so hot, that's so damn bro.
I feel you when I scrolling my TikTok and I'm seeing that engineering
hashtag?
girl
Oh,
meet engineering boy. Like you guys know,
Yeah,
if
that's-
you know, you know.
Yeah, that's the couple of the
Yeah.
year. Like,
Maybe
Yeah.
we need to you need to tell us about the main reason.
yeah, the main reason is maybe I just want to be a planologist that plan the cities. I want to see how cities work, like how the building and the component in the cities work together.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you want to learn about the city?
Yeah, of course. What about you?
Maybe because I get a little bit curious about the city, and I want to know about why a problem in the city can be, how to solve that,
Yeah, how to solve
Like
the issues.
the traffic,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah. In cities have many issues. Yeah,
Yeah.
guys.
like, do you have a expectation or when you join this PWK or your major, you have something to expect?
My expectation, because I'm from science in my senior high school, I think it's linear. I think we'll learn about the engineering is so hard, but in the reality, we are not only about the science. We talk about the social, also the social. So that's the differences from my expectation to the reality. But
Yeah.
that's so fun so far, so good.
Just enjoy that.
Yeah, just enjoy the process. Yeah.
I get it.
What about your expectation?
I think when I join this major, I think this major gonna learn about something like architecture, civil engineering.
That's so
but
specific.
yeah, I think we're gonna build some
some
city,
building.
some building. Like
Yeah.
just hear the name, regional and urban planning.
Yeah.
That planning is making me have a big expectation, but this is not bad. This is so good, and I enjoy it.
Yeah. Just enjoy. Like what I say, just enjoy the process.
Okay.
Yeah. And
But,
then
you choose this major, but why you choose this university?
maybe one important, not a really important, but that's a main reason I chose Amicom is because I rejected from another university. That's a heartbroken, but not that really heartbroken because I already accepted in another university, but that's so far. So I chose in Jogja because that's not that really far from my hometown. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. What about you? And you came from Manokwari to Jogja.
Yeah.
Why Jogja? Why Amicom?
Actually, I chose this university because this is my last option.
Oh,
Not my last option, but Amicom is the last option because
yeah.
I already have targeted some university, but you know,
Yeah, that's
know.
heartbroken.
Yeah, so I chose Amikom. And why Jogja? I
Why?
chose Jogja because my mother came from here.
Oh,
She is born in here,
yeah.
and I have some family in here. So I think, oh,
You
this can be easy for me.
Yeah.
Actually, that's the reason. But you know,
Yeah.
that's okay.
Okay.
Maybe because we're have talking about the university, why we chose this major. We're gonna talking about
The college life?
yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe about the assignment, group project. Do you have a problem with that, or something do you want to tell about to us?
I'm not a really that not really big problem about the team project, the group project, because in urban and regional planning, we learn the general of cities. So we need a team to solve, like you say,
Yeah.
the issues, the problem. So we need the
Teammate.
teammate. Yeah.
Mm.
So not that really hurt, but sometimes we came from another place, another person that have different thinking. So we sometimes it's
Yeah.
tiring, but yeah
Maybe that's why we need skill, communication
yeah
skill.
that's important, the communication skill, because we work in group project.
And to build this group, you need to share your
Yeah.
opinion. But
Yeah.
is there something that you really don't like, or you kind of hate it?
Yeah, not that I really hate. I just
Didn't.
sometimes like tiring about the person when sometimes the ego is so big. Yeah, that's so tiring for me, because yeah we should have a communication. That's the point.
That's the point.
Yeah.
Just be mature and let's communicate.
Yeah.
Maybe that's because we have a different opinion. That
Yeah,
doesn't
different
mean
opinion.
we're gonna
Yeah.
reject you.
Yeah.
Just share.
Share what is the problem, and we can solve it together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's because that's the life. We need to tell us about our feeling, our opinion. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
Let-
about you? And like, do you have issues in your college life?
Actually, I don't have an issue in college life, but sometimes I have an issue with myself. You know, maybe because I'm far from home, I can be really homesick.
Homesick.
This is a problem with myself, me and myself.
Yeah.
Like, you know, sometimes when I miss my family, I miss my home. That's kind of making me feeling like I can't meet people because I need to recharge my energy.
That's
Mixed feeling.
So we talk about the urban and regional planning, and we're gonna talk about the field surveys.
Yeah.
That's important in our major. So what do you think about the field surveys?
Actually, this is kind of exciting because we can go to some new place, some new experience, and
Yeah.
of course with our group friends, group project.
With our teammates.
That's so exciting. But
Yeah.
when in reality, day one can make me feeling so excited, but day two can make me feeling like, oh, this is so tiring.
Yeah, that's so tiring because
Yeah.
of we're gonna going to the another to some place to another place. That's so tiring.
Yeah.
But when we're do that with have fun, so we can enjoy. Yeah.
So we're not just traveling, but we need to analysis, we need to cross check,
Yeah.
and then we need to see in the
see.
maps, like
yeah, we can learn about that, of course.
yeah.
Yeah,
But
I'm so excited. What?
no,
Oh yeah.
just going.
I'm so excited to maybe the my studios area in Sedayu, not that really far from my hometown, but they have a different characteristic. So I just want to learn how was in Sedayu.
So
Yeah, and you come from where is your studios?
my place is in Mogiri.
Yeah,
Like Imogiri. So I have heard that you mentioned Sedayu.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what potential in Sedayu?
Oh, in Sedayu have some potential. Like first thing first about the field.
Mhm.
Yeah, and then second, in Sedayu have industrial.
Mhm.
Also in Sedayu have about the tourism. Yeah, they have museum and some place like cars tubing. Yeah, you can camp there.
Yeah,
maybe
maybe
someday.
next time.
Yeah. What
But-
about in Imogiri?
Oh, in Imogiri, we have a popular tourism about the
The
Grab.
Grab.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard
Grab.
it from our
Yeah, when in class,
lecturer. Yeah.
I already mentioned it so many
Always.
times. Always. Imogiri have a Grab, have a
Yeah.
Grab.
So, what is the Grab? What is the potential about the
We-
Grab?
The Grab have a big potential, of
Yeah.
course, about the tourism. But in Imogiri, we have something about one village. This village is dedicated to the industrial batik industrial. So they-
that's interesting.
yeah, this village is focused on batik industrial.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
In Sedayu also one village that focus to one industrial, that's a jamu gendong. Yeah, that's a traditional medicine, traditional, sometimes it can be vitamin. Yeah.
Jamu gendong. I
Yeah.
kind of curious. The person who make this is already older or
Some people in Argomulyo, the village is Argomulyo, they make the jamu gendong. Sometimes some people is young, some people is old too. Yeah.
so this is one village working together.
Yeah, of course they
Yeah.
work together to make that jamu gendong.
That's interesting. So that's a little so interesting, of course.
Yeah, of course,
Um,
about the urban
yeah.
and regional planning.
So we're already talk about the university, the major, why you chose this major, and then the feeling about that new experience.
Yes, how college life.
Yeah, so,
about our studio.
When we're doing this, someday we're gonna have a graduation,
Yeah.
and then can you spill us about your future plans?
My future plans. Maybe
Yeah.
I can tell you a little bit about my future plans.
Tell us.
Maybe I don't have a specific job for the permanent because I want to take a master degrees after I graduate. So after I graduate, maybe I will searching for the scholarship to take a master degrees. So if I get it, so I will do the master degrees and then I will choose what is my permanent job.
Can you maybe tell us where do you want to take the master degree,
Oh.
or which country or which place?
I wish I can going to another country.
Okay.
I wish.
All say amen,
Yeah,
amen, amen.
But yeah, if I can't, if I cannot, I and in Jogja, it's okay. Yeah, do you know? Yeah,
Don't worry, we all say amen, amen,
amen.
amen.
Yeah,
Maybe that's so cool. So you already have
yeah.
a plan.
That's my plan from
That-
now. Because yeah, we are planology, so we must to have a plan.
Okay,
and then
that's new motto.
yeah,
That's so cool.
because we are planology, we need to have a plan. What about your plan?
Oh, actually, that's the same as you, but maybe I want to have a part-time job or something like that,
that's
so
interesting.
I can have my own
Own
money.
money?
So I can spend it on my
Yes,
things.
yeah.
Yeah, and then I want
It's
to.
up to you if you want to buy something
Yeah.
because it's your money.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
my hard work.
Yeah.
So, and then
That's the
maybe
next.
I'm gonna searching for scholarship, and if I get it, I want to take a master degree. So
Yeah, that's a cool. That's a good
good planning.
planning.
Like we say before, we have a
We have-
trust in engineering girl.
Yeah.
So-
We are trusted, don't worry.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Maybe after these future plans, can you give us some advice?
Maybe just don't worry about the future.
Mhm.
We'll learn from now for the future. So yeah, just don't worry, just do it and do it well.
Yeah.
What about you?
Don't
Can
be-
you give?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't be scared to this major. Just enjoy what do you do now, and
yeah,
trying
that's
to
right.
feel the moment. Yeah, like just enjoy it.
Yeah.
When you done this, you're
Don't be
gonna
stressed.
Yeah,
Yeah, just enjoy.
it's okay to stress sometimes.
Yeah,
actually.
sometimes so actually sometimes the lesson is so tiring, so stressed, but don't they're really stressed about that. Just
Yeah.
enjoy.
Just enjoy because make some friends, have a good life,
Yeah.
eat the food that you want.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
some of
Self
our
reward.
self reward.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, we buy some food.
Yeah.
like
That's college life.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so-
maybe that's all for today.
For thank you for listening our podcast. Yeah, maybe that's yapping.
That's a
Or-
yapping
or
podcast.
yapping.
But thank you so much for have a time with us. Maybe that's all from me, Livia.
And I'm Melody.
See you.
See you.